So how to open up a savings account on the NatWest app. So to open up a savings account on the NatWest app, you'll just want to click on apply right at the bottom here. Then once you've clicked on apply, you'll be given this menu option here, and you simply just want to click on savings. Then once you've clicked on savings, you'll then get a list of all the different savings accounts that you can apply for on NatWest. And again, there's a fair few here, so definitely take your time to have a look around and decide what's right for you. So for the example of this video, we're going to select Flexible Saver and open up a flexible savings account. Then once you've selected on your savings account, you'll then be given more information about it. So just have a read of the terms and conditions, make sure you're happy, and if you are, you can continue at the bottom. Then once you've selected continue, you'll just need to clarify if it's a sole account or a joint account. So again, for the example of this video, we're going to say sole account. And then once you've done that, you can select open in browser right here. And then from there, select to open an account. And then once you've done that, you'll then be given your new saving account bank details, and it is as simple as that. And you should also be emailed them as well, and an email that looks something like this. So again, it might take time for your savings account to be brought through to your app, but as long as you've got this email and NatWest gives you your bank details at the end, then your savings account is all set up and you should be able to start using it very soon. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.